1964. And if you know steam engines, he had a big collection. The operator is Mr. Braxton Graham, and he is the great grandson of Norm. Braxton, you got a whistle. Any more? Oh, that was enough. Thank you. Hey, by the way, they can hear you, so if you want to give them applause, I think you should. It's a lot of work to bring them through. Thank you. All right, next up we have another Minneapolis. This one is rated at 20 and about 60 horsepower, built 1920. It's owned by a gentleman named Dan Fry from Whitefish in Michigan. Now, Dan happens to be the president of the Northeast Indiana Steam and Gas Association, and their show is kind of the second weekend in August over at LaGrange at the 4-H County Fairgrounds. Dan is very busy and active in that, obviously, as the president. All right, Mr. Fry, you got a whistle. Any more? That's enough. Give him a big hand. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks, Dan. All right. Now, it came time that the Minneapolis Threshing Machine, remember MTM, they began to produce gas tractors and kerosene type tractors. And we have two of them on display. The first one is rated at 22 and 44 horsepower, owned by Dan and Tyler Kessler of Crete, Illinois, right there. And on these, the 22 horsepower means the power on the drawbar and 44 on the flywheel. And if you look, there's several places on there that says MTM. Now, they're followed by a big one, rated 35 and 70 horsepower. Minneapolis, owned by Justin Clayton. He's the one over on this side, and he's from Lake Station, Indiana. And MTM company right here on the side. They don't have steam, okay? This is the transition from steam into what we call modern tractors. And you can see that was built out in the big prairie. That's what the big one was built for. Steam engine, another one of our features, Minneapolis. This one is rated at 20 and 60 horsepower, built in 1922, weighs in at about 13 tons. Clayton Hendrickson. Now, Clayton's dad, Charlie Hendrickson, has been big in the steam engine for a long time. He has a model over here that's just exquisite and works wonderful. Now, so Clayton grew up around steam, and when he was about 10 years old, for Christmas, he got a whistle. He said, hey, it'd be nice if I had a steam engine to put it on. And Dad said, go out and look in the drive. And this was out there with a bow on it. Wow. One of Clayton's greatest memories. Brings back a tear, doesn't it? It really does. Hey, Clayton, you got a whistle. Any more? Wow. Boy, yeah, give him a big hand. Thank you. All right, next up we have a Case steam engine. Now, this particular steam engine is rated at 25 and 75 horsepower. Now, on steam engines, the 25 horsepower is a rating that was available based on the size of the heat surface inside and the boiler. The 75 is a brake rating. They put it on a machine, and that is more accurate. This gentleman up there who's operating is the owner, Mr. Kevin Chatfield, and the family. And this one was built in 1917, weighs in at 15 tons. And he's got something you don't see very often. He has dually. He has two regular wheels on each side. And it is interesting. I've never seen it. Hey, that's the family up there. Kevin, you got a whistle. Any more? Okay. Thank you. Give a big hand to the president of this fine organization. This is a Russell steam engine. It was built in 1921, weighs in about 13 tons. Rated at 25 horsepower, owned by Brian and Carter Foster of Leslie, Michigan. And we do appreciate it. And thank you for coming. Hey guys, you got a whistle. Any more? Okay, I'll take that as a no. Okay, thank you. Give him a big hand. Thanks for bringing it through. Now, the next steam engine is rated at 20 and about 60 horsepower. It's a Russell also, built in 1916, weighs in about 11 tons. It's owned by Jeremy Millard and family, and he's got his daughter, if I can see her. Yeah, there they go. All right, and his daughter Eliza's up there. They're from Charlotte, Michigan, and it was purchased by his grandpa Terry Freeze in 1974 and restored, and then in 2020 Jeremy got it, and we appreciate them being here. It's side mount. Now let me tell you what that means real fast. The back wheels do not have an axle that goes all the way through. Most of the rest of them do. This axle starts at the side of the boiler and goes out. And it's just called a side mount. Hey guys, you got a whistle. Any more? She knows how to do that, doesn't she? Yeah. Good job, Eliza. Thank you. Give him a big hand.
I see a lot of them have that cow sticker on.
I've noticed that. Mm-hmm.
I know. Keep moving. I'm waiting until you get in front of the people, for goodness sake. Okay, now this particular steam engine is rated at 12 and about 36 horsepower, built in 1915. The owner is a gentleman named Dale Lewis, and he's from Rive Junction, Michigan. The operator today is Mackenzie Pasick from Leslie, Michigan, and her birthday is coming up on the 29th, and she will be 16, I believe they said. Yeah, and the Lewis family purchased this from a gentleman named Ed Mack. All right, have you got a whistle? Any more? Now, even the people in the audience know that was the same one. Give a big hand, thank you.
Yep.
All right, next up we have an Advanced Rumley steam engine, built in 1922, weighs in at 12 tons, the Somerville family. That's Tim Somerville up there. And these Advanced Rumleys were called universal because they could burn wood, coal, or straw. And there you got it right there. Mr. Somerville, you got a whistle. Any more? Give him a big hand. Thank you, Tim. Keep them coming, guys. We got a lot of steam engines. There he is. I see it. Dale Somerville, 1923 case, 65 horsepower, and we appreciate that. He's got extension rims. He wanted extension rims, and he couldn't get the right size, so he just built some. And we appreciate that. That's his wife up there helping. Hey, Dale, you got a whistle. Any more?
Nice.
Give him a big hand. Thank you for bringing it through. Next up, we have an advanced steam engine rated at 22 and 70 horsepower. Built in 1913. Owned by Jacob Somerville, Mason, Michigan. And weighs about 14 tons. All right, Mr. Somerville. Well, here's the situation. Let me tell you. He still owes for college. He used his money to buy this engine when he was 21 years old instead of going to college. And I guess he's probably still making payments. Hey, you got a whistle on there. Any more? That's enough for that baby, too. Thank you.
That baby.
Next up, we have a case rated 25 and 75 horsepower. Owned by Gordy Blau of Clarksville, Michigan. It was built in 1911, weighs in about 13 tons. And it actually came from the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. All right. You got a whistle up there, guys. Any more? Nope, that's good enough. Hey, give him a big hand. Good job, guys, for coming through. All right, next up we have a Port Huron steam engine. These are made in Michigan. This was built in 1913. It is rated at 16 horsepower and owned by Donnie Van Sickle. Grandson is Michael. And I told you I would wait and ask you for it. You got a whistle? You got a whistle? Thank you, appreciate it. Next we have another case. This one is rated at 30 horsepower. Now, by the old reckoning, this was a 9 horsepower. But the new reckoning, this is a 30 horsepower, built in 1914, owned by the Tim Palmer family. And they're from Mason, Michigan. And we appreciate it. They have done several things. They have been on the Shingle Mill. All right, I was trying to see. There's Tim with the blonde hair. Hey guys, you got a whistle? Any more? No, that's enough. Boy, he knows the pedal on there, doesn't he? Good job. Next up, we have an Advanced Rumbly Universal. Many people just call these Universal, period. Built 1917, weighs in at 12 tons, rated at 20 and about 60 horsepower. And it's the Pollock family. We got Steve and son Ryan are involved. Weberville, Michigan. It's got side tanks on it. The tanks are used out in the field. You know, so you didn't have trouble running out of water. Hey guys, you got a whistle? Okay, thank you. Give a big hand. Thank you. All right, this is a Nichols and Shepard steam engine. It's, we don't know the exact date it was made, but it's in the 20s or 30s. John Rhodes, Weberville, Michigan. His son is Jim. Now, this is a simple double. If you look up on top there where he is, there are 2 cylinders. They are exactly the same size, so we call that a simple double. And that's all. I'm going to go into details about that. Appreciate it. Hey guys, you got a whistle. Any more? Sounds the same to me. Okay, thank you. Give a big hand.
That one growls.
Yes.
I like that.
Next up we have another Advan Brumley rated at 20 and about 60 horsepower. Built 1918, weighs in about 12 tons. The Harton and Pulaski family. John Harton and Alan Pulaski. We appreciate it. If you look, this one has a jacket. Now, several of them have already, but the jacket, if you have a hot water heater in your house and you have that padding around it for insulation, that's the same thing here. There's wood underneath that, and then the metal, and it's got fans on it, and it's to maintain the heat in the boiler. All right, guys, you got a whistle. Any more? No. Okay, thank you. Give a big hand. A lot of work to bring it through. Next up, we have a Russell steam engine built in Massillon, Ohio. This is rated at 20 and about 60 horsepower, built in 1920, weighs in about 12 tons. This is the Craig Capon family from Woodland, Michigan. I can't see who all's up there, but sometimes it's Elena and Kate. All right, you got a whistle. Any more? That's enough. Thank you. Give a big hand. Thanks for bringing it through. All right. I think this is the oldest one on the ground. This is owned by the Frank Rubin family. It is a Nichols and Shepard, and it was built in 1895. Weighs about 5 tons. It was found in Maryland, and to engage the clutch, you have a little steering wheel in there, a little bit knob that you turn. All right, hey guys, who is that? Justin? All right, Justin Rupert, there you go. Grandson, you got a whistle. Any more? Okay. Thank you. Next up is an Altman and Taylor. This was built in 1918, weighs about 14 tons, owned by a gentleman named Jim Schrock. And those of you who know steam engine, his dad was John Schrock. The operator is Nick Summers from Lindenwood, Illinois. And we appreciate it. Hey guys, you got a whistle. Ooh, that's a big one. All right, thank you, appreciate it. Now, the gentleman owns that, also owns this one. This is the biggest steam engine on the ground. It is a 1911 Case. It's rated at 110 horsepower, weighs about 18 tons. It was put together by his dad, John Schrock. Now, John started with the flywheel and searched for parts for 30 years. Took 4 years to put together. Parts came from at least 12 different engines, all the way from Pennsylvania to Oregon to Tennessee. 2 boilers from Canada, rims and a hub from Big River, Saskatchewan. It first ran in 2012, and the first show at National Threshers was 2017, and it won Best Restored. And if you look for the steering wheel, he doesn't have one. It's turned by levers. Mr. Schrock, you got a whistle. Any more? Okay. Give a big hand. A lot of work bringing that in. Long fire. Okay. All right. This is an advance rated at 22 and 70 horsepower, Long Myers, Henderson, Michigan. He spent all winter working on it. It's the first show it's been to. That part up on top, that's called a spark arrestor, because this is a straw burner. It's set up that way. Out in the plains, you can burn the straw as you did this racing. Mr. Myers, you got a whistle. Lon, you got a whistle. Any more? All right, thank you. Give him a big hand. Great job. The steerer up there is a gentleman named Phil Zuber. All right, next up we have Marvin Plow. This is a 20 horsepower advanced Rumley built in 1920. Built by Marv Plow from Clarksville, Michigan. Marv, you got a whistle. Any more? No, that was enough. Give him a big hand. Don't move. Yeah, got Jim Lashway at the controls up there. This is Galen Luck, 20 horsepower advanced Rumley. Appreciate it. Okay, you got a whistle. Any more? Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
And blew my first battery.
Okay.
Glad I charged up the spare last night.
Yeah.
All right, next up is the Lux family. It is a 1906 15 horsepower Russell. And this one, again, is owned by the Lux family. It's built in 1906, and they're from Mason, Michigan. Hey guys, you got a whistle up there. Any more? Thank you. Thanks for bringing it through.
For less money, you can have one like this. Or you get one like that.
Another man.
And this one will actually do something. There it is.
All right, I told you a while ago when Clayton brought his through that his dad was Charlie Hendrickson. That's the man right here. This is based on a 1914 50 horsepower case. Charles Edgerton, Wisconsin. It was built by Walter Durst from Beloit, Wisconsin in 1963. Charlie, you got a whistle? Any more? Thank you.
Yep.
What is it?
Next up we have another model. This is a 5/8 scale. It's owned by the Luck and Gann family, based in Michigan. It was finished in 2003, and it's based on a 2390 Baker. Hey guys, you got a whistle?
Scale model.
Yeah.
Any more? Okay, thank you. Next up we have a case steam engine rated at 65 horsepower.
Here, Thompson, glad that this guy had that luncher. 12 or something.
It is owned by Chandler Luck. Built 1915, weighs in at 12 tons. He's from Mason, Michigan, and it originally was owned by the Egbert family. All righty. Mr. Chandler, you got a whistle? Any more? Thank you. Give him a big hand. Thank you. All right, next up we have a Russell. It's built in 1899. It's rated at 10 and about 30 horsepower. Weighs about 6 tons. It's owned by the Grosand family of Picnic, Michigan. Now, Mom and Dad have passed away, and now Beth Kunzelman, who is a daughter, and son Eric, son Brian and his wife Sherry, and they operate this now, and they do a lot of work on the Shingle Mill. All right. Ladies, you got a whistle. Any more? Is one of you named Brooke? Thanks, Brooke. Good job. Thank you. All right, next up we have a 60 horsepower case. Dylan Connor from Muniz, Michigan. This came out of Texas, and it has extension rims on it, and it's got a nickname. It's called Birdie. And Kaylin has done a lot of work today. Kaylin, you got a whistle? Any more? That's enough. Give him a big hand. Thanks for all the work today. All right. This is owned by Larry Barson of Jackson, Michigan. His daughter Sylvia is operating it. It's rated about 10 horsepower. It is based on a 1919 LaFrance running gear, and the boiler and engine came from a 1922 Buffalo Springfield road roller. Sylvia, you got a whistle? Any more? Oh, thank you. They call it a firebug. Thank you.
Here comes our baby. Here comes our baby. Plug in our ears.
1936 John Deere AR, owned by the Heinze family and Jim Luck. Next up, we have an advanced Roman oil pole built in 1929.
Wow.
It was once owned by Jim Watson from Rosebush, Michigan, who is his grandfather. It's a Y. And Wes is our treasurer for this organization. Thank you, Wes.
Yeah.
Followed by a 1950 Shepherd Diesel SD3 owned by Wes Donnett. Next up, we have a 1978 Bronson family Rumley oil pole pump.
What's going on here?
I'm sorry, that's Tim Brody. It's a 1921 1630 Rumley H just went by. I apologize. All right, this is the Bronson family. They just call it a pup. It was built in 1978. It's a Rumley oil pole model. Thank you.